Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to another unboxing. This one has come to me from Everydayecrafts, which is a new company that have reached out for a collab to send me some stuff to take a look at. I love a bit of the budget stuff, a bit of the more premium stuff, and Everydayecrafts is another budget-friendly company. So I've picked out a few bits to share with you in this video. So just grab them all out. I think that's everything. Okay, so I've got a couple of accessories, a fun project, and a couple of paintings. So the accessories that I chose was a couple of pens. So I actually picked this one for my friend because she's broken her pen. And I was having a look at different ones that are on there, and I thought this one looked quite interesting. This one's quite a light one. So I'm not sure if she wanted a heavier one or not, but okay, so it is, you can have multiple tips in there. That's the single place that just gone in, and that seems to be okay. And then you can also put the lid back on as well, even with the single place a tip on there. So yeah, it's like a metallic one. So if you like a lighter pen, this is actually a really nice shape as well. And yeah, it's super duper light. So there are multi-places, but they are the thicker, old style thicker ones. So so there's that. And then I also chose this, anything rainbow I absolutely love. So if I can get into this, I'll leave all of these linked down in the description box below as well. So if you want to go ahead and pick up any of these, then they'll all be linked for you. So, plus any discount codes or any special discounts will be linked below as well. So if a company's given me anything to share with you, then it'll all be in the description box. Look at this pen. Just, I love anything rainbow. Let me pop it down so you can actually see. Actually, you probably can't see it very well on that background. Let's have a look. Okay, there we are. So whoa, it wants to travel. So this one is a rainbow one, but it's also got flecks of glitter in it. Can you see that? Just love the way it goes from the blue kind of into the green, into the yellow, into the orange, into the red. I love it. This also comes with the heads as well. However, this is a screw-in one. I've noticed that some are screw-in and some are you just pop in. So this one is actually a screw-in pen. So these have screw-in tips with it. They are plastic. Now, they're not going to be as durable over a longer period of time than the metal ones. However, I don't seem to have any issue with the plastic ones either. It is a thinner profile. It's probably not the thinnest that I've seen, but these are thin profile ones. I tend to use a 6, so I'm going to pop the 6 on. I don't think there was a choice of colour of heads. I think it just came with blue ones. Yeah, so that is the pen that I've chosen. And then there's also, I think, 5 or 6 bits of wax in there that I donate on. I don't tend to use that. I use putty. So I'll just pop those back in there. So you do get a 2, a 4, I think that's a 4. No, a 2, sorry, a 3, a 6. This must be a 9, a straightener, and then one of those funky angled heads, which I don't use. My husband does, so perhaps I'll pass it on to him. So that is the pen that I picked up, or the pens, should I say. Nice colourful one there. Okay, and then I got a fun project, which were these stickers. And these are great. So when these, I can just sit and do these on the sofa. So it means that I can do something if I'm having a bit of a bad day. Which seems to be a lot of days at the moment. So yeah, I could just sit on the sofa and diamond paint these. You've got a standard toolkit, and then there's also, I'm not going to get all of these drills out, but you've also got the drills in there. There does look to be a special, it looks to be a crystal one in there, or is it an AB? Let me have a look actually, because I think there might be a crystal or an AB in this one. I will just let you know. So we've got standard blue, purple, teal, white, pink, brown, red, orange, pink, green, black. Oh, okay, there isn't. So something, there's probably a hitchhiker or something then, because I definitely saw a crystal in amongst this lot. So yeah, it's probably just a hitchhiker. So no, these are all standard drills actually, by the looks of things. There's no DMC codes on these at all. So if you do keep your spares, then you can use a colour chart to try and match it up. But these are Lilo and Stitch stickers, so they are just on a white backing. Yeah, they're just on a white sticker backing there. They seem to be super duper sticky, so they shouldn't have an issue. They're not tightly packed in terms of the number of drills that you've got on here, so I don't know how well these are going to come out, but they're just a little bit of fun to be able to sit and do these on the sofa. So that is the Lilo and Stitch stickers. And then I got 2 canvases. So I think they were both Christmas one. Yeah, they were both Christmas ones. And so this is one of them. This is a 30 by 40. And so, let's just get that out. Standard toolkit again with the pen, the tray and the wax. And I'm just going to give this a little roll back. Now, this is a 30 by 40, but it is, it's not going to be true to size. We're going to lose maybe 5 centimetres either way on this one. So if you give me a second, I will just measure it. 35, yeah. So we're going to lose 30. It's going to be 25 by 35, I would imagine. Yeah. Okay, so you're going to lose about 5 centimetres on each direction because of that border. There's 24 colours on this one. Stick is absolutely fine on it, no issue at all. Just this lovely Christmassy house with the water wheel. Cool, that's a bit static. Yeah, so I just thought it was nice, a nice quick one to do. Now this is a square one as well. Really nice to see some square paintings coming out in the 30 by 40 size, because a lot of them tend to be round. You do get better images with the square. You get more detail with a square because they are smaller. They're smaller than the rounds. So you get in here, all of the drills are pre-bagged. So that's really handy. On the bag, it also tells you, I think, so you've got the, that's going to be the DMC code on the bag. It's going to be the weight of the drills as well. And then also, do we have the canvas number? GS3746. Okay, so we've got the number from the legend, then we've got the DMC code, the weight of the drills, and then we've also got the canvas number. So I always store my drills separate to my canvases, so I can go ahead and pop these away, although it's a nice small one to be able just to diamond paint on the sofa. So I might just keep that one out and do that one over the Christmas period. And then I also picked up this one as well. So let me get rid of the Russells and then we'll get in and see this one. This one is also a Christmas one, I believe. Yeah. So this one's actually a 30 by 30. This is on that softer canvas, and I've got a sneaky suspicion that this is actually 30 by 30 and not the smaller size. So let's just take a look. Yeah, it's just over 30 actually, 30.25 centimetres. And that's 30.25 centimetres. This is actually true to size, this one. So yeah, as I said, it is on that softer canvas, and if you've had any of the budget companies, you'll know what I mean by the softer canvas. It is more kind of fluid, more loose. There are 30 colours in this in total. This is a square painting, as in square drills, not just a square image. This one says Hope, and I thought it was perfect for me to get done this Christmas season. I'm definitely using trying to use diamond painting as a little distraction just to help me keep somewhat busy. So in the kit you get with this one, you get the tray, you get 2 larger pads of wax, you do get some tweezers, you get a pen with a single and a 4-placer, and I actually get 2 4-placers in there by the looks of things, and a swishy as well. So yeah, you do get that. And then, as I said, these are square drills. I don't think there's any ABs in this one. I think this is just, let me just have a look. Yeah, so this is just a square painting, as in square drills, not just a square image. This is yeah, this is just all standard drills. So as I said, there's 30 colours. In this one, let's just get them out of here, because I always like to have a look at the quality of the drills. And to be fair, they look really nice. They've got some really nice flat bottoms, which always makes me wonder whether they're actually resin drills, because those are flat as anything. And okay, so I can see some dimples in the bottom of these ones. So yeah, generally, if you can see, if they're flat bottoms, they are generally resin drills. See, these are super flat again. But if you can see a little concave in the bottom, then they tend to be the acrylic ones. Again, these are super flat. I'll have to have a look on the website and actually see. But these look very, very good quality drills. We've got one hitchhiker, or two hitchhikers in that one. But overall, these look really, really nice. And I love the companies that actually send the drills that are pre-bagged, and that you do not have to worry about multiple bags. And if I'm kitting up, I know that this is all I've got of that colour. And I don't have to then go, oh, do I have another bag of it somewhere? I know it's all in there. And if, you know, I've used the pots that I've got to make it fit. So on these bags, you've got the number from the you always get like a couple of random drills floating around. Yeah, you always get the, sorry, it's the number from the legend. So number 19 on here. 827 is going to be the DMC code, and then 3327, I would imagine, is that going to be the quantity, potentially 19. Well, this says 3169, and I've had this before, and I reckon this number here is how many you need, but this number here is how much they've given you, and it's about a 10% uplift. So for instance, this one here, so number 20 is saying 844, sorry, yeah, it's usually about a 5% uplift. So 94 is how many you need, but they've given you 98. So if you work out 5% of 94, that's going to be about 4 or 5, and therefore they've given you 98. Oh, this one says 5. Okay, so this is probably my my theory is flawed with that one. Let's not use that as an example. 12 is saying 143, and they've uplifted it to 150. So yeah, this is the quantity of how many are in here. It'd be interesting to actually know whether that's spot on 150 or not, but I'm not counting. So we'll never know. So yes, thank you very much to Everydayecrafts for sending these bits out. A couple of Christmas ones that I hope just to be able to sit on the sofa and complete this year. So those will be fun. A couple of pens. One, as I said, I'll be gifting to a friend, and I'll find out how she gets on with that in the future. And then just some fun stitch stickers here as well, that I can complete when I'm not feeling that great and up to it. So thank you very much for joining me for today's unboxing, guys. And as I said, I'll leave everything linked in the description box down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.